Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this brilliant Smart Fortwo Prime Premium Cabriolet. Now this vehicle is currently done 16,397 miles and it's finished in the colour black, and you also have your Jupiter red safety cell there. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED daytime running lights there that really complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Let's move around to the side here. You do have your 15-inch alloy wheels. You also have your indicator there on the side, along with your contrasting Jupiter red door mirrors to complement the safety cell. Now let's take a look inside here. Now your passenger seat does fold flat, it's making loading things in very easy. If you need to load things in long ways, being a short vehicle, it just gives you an added bit of space. It's ideal if you need to carry anything with you that's long, and will fit nicely into the vehicle there. Now let's head round to the rear of the vehicle. You do have rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when reverse parking, as it gives you more guidance on how close you are to objects. Now let's open up the boot. Your boot folds down. You can see your nice amount of storage here. If you're just a single person, you can fit a nice weekly shopping there for yourself nicely. You can also fit things in further up as well. You've got a nice wide opening there. It's also very easy to slide things into the boot with that folding down boot lid. Now let's move around here and take a look inside here at the front. On the driver's side, you do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. And now you can see with your passenger seat folded back up. You do have very nice leather seats, and you have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. A great feature you have are heated seats, so you can keep nice and warm during winter. You'll be nice and cozy in this little vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Smart Fortwo has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments. This allows you to quickly make adjustments so you can see clearly to the rear. It's very handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. And as well, you do have your electric window switches there. So here as the driver, you can operate both sides of the windows. Here on the dashboard, you will find your start stop on and off button, along with your rear parking sensors on and off button. You have your wiper stalk there, along with your indicator stalk, and at the end of that you do have your headlights. It's very easy access to turn them on. You do have your rev counter up there. You can see when you press the accelerator. You do have some controls here on the steering wheel, including your controls here to the left for your digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You have a very nice coloured display. It's very nice and vibrant, and it displays a whole variety of different information on there, including things like your trip information and of course your mileage and digital speedometer. Now here at the bottom of the steering wheel, you will find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. It's very handy for those longer motorway journeys or any longer journeys you may have. It's very straightforward to use with each button clearly labelled. There is also a speed limiter with this as well, so you can set up a speed if you don't want the vehicle to exceed a certain speed. It won't allow you to accelerate over it. Now here in the centre, you have your very nice touchscreen infotainment system where you can access your radio. You do have FM and AM radio, and it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of stations here you can scroll through to tune in, and then go on to save them as presets as well. And you can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB and auxiliary input. There is also an SD input as well, and of course your standard Bluetooth. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. It's very easy to pair a device up there. You can also access some vehicle settings here. You can see things like your eco score, and also some additional settings there like your door locks. You also have some services here you can access. You have a TomTom service available to you along with your settings. You also have your mirror link as well, which you can pair your compatible device with. You also have some system settings here for making adjustments to things like any vehicle warnings, and also the touchscreen itself. It's a very nice coloured display there again. And below it you do have your air conditioning, allowing you to keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool. have your temperature gauge there, scrolling up and down depending on which temperature you want it on. You have your fan speed there to the left, your air conditioning buttons, and you can also change the direction of airflow there to the right side. You also have buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen, so you can quickly defrost and see clearly to the rear. You do have a button for recircling the air as well. There are 2 cup holders there, and here next to your automatic gear selector you have your different drive modes with your Eco and Sport. You can simply change between these just pushing the button. You'll see it displayed on your digital display in the instrument cluster. And here to the left you have your controls for your convertible roof. Simply hold the button down and it will go back once. It will stop here, but then you can open it fully again by pushing down again. Thanks for watching this video on the Smart Fortwo Prime Premium Cabriolet. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have Rac Extended Warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.